If you are a new computer user and you want a cheap computer mouse, then this thing is for you because it's cheap, good looking, and very fantastic. So today in this video we are going to unbox this mouse in front of you guys, so keep watching the video. And also I'm going to tell you some features of this mouse, so keep watching because this video is going to be very epic. So now let's begin. So as here we have this mouse, and one of the best thing about this mouse is that it's cheap. Okay, it will only cost you 250 rupees if you are from Nepal, and if you are from another country then it will cost you that much money. Okay, and now let's talk about some features of this mouse. So you can see the screenshot on your screen. I'm not going to tell you all the features because you can see that there is a lot of features. You have to read the features on your own, but I'm only going to tell you some important features. So the first important feature that we have is USB interface. I mean, this means that the wire is with USB. Okay, and we have 3 buttons plus 1 wheel. You can see that we have the first button, second, and we have the wheel between these 2 buttons. Okay, and then we have cord length. Cord length is 1400 mm. Okay, we have scroll wheel acts as a third button. So a scroll wheel of this mouse acts as a third button. Okay, then we have button life up to 1 million click. Okay, you can see button life 1 million click, and works with Windows XP 7, 8, 10 and Mac OS. I mean, you can use this mouse with any kind of operating system, Linux, Android, Mac OS, Apple, or anything. Okay, so now it's time to unbox it, so let's do it. So here we have the mouse. Let's unbox it. So first thing that I'm going to do is that open the box, and here we have the mouse. Inside of this box there is nothing. You can see over here it's empty. Let's put it over here. Then we have the mouse over here. Let's put this thing, and then we have this mouse. Okay, it is kind of big. I mean, if you compare the size with this wireless mouse, you can see this is very small in front of this mouse. It is big. Okay, and you can see the branding B Tech. Okay, and it is big. It's my first time using this kind of mouse, and you can also see the sound of clicking. Let me show you. You can see sound is very smooth, and we also have the scrolling wheel. You can see the sound of the scrolling wheel. It's very fantastic. Okay, then we have this USB. We can plug this in the computer, and then we can use it with the computer. So let me now show you how it works. Okay, let's go to our computer. Here we have the mouse. Let's test this with computer. You can see over here we have this. First we're going to test with Windows, and it is turning on. And let me show you the mouse while this is turning on. We need to make the wire a little bit big. Let's plug this in our USB port. Here we have the USB. I'm going to plug this, and it is connected. You can see the light. It's very big, and we have it, and you can see the cursor is moving. Let me show you from here. Cursor is moving, and it is working very fine. Okay, you can see over here the scroll bar is, scroll wheel is also working. Let me show you. I'm going to go to Chrome browser, and here go to my account, and then I'm going to search my website, mrmarkupb.ml, and then here we have the website. You can see the scroll wheel is working, and let me close this. If we press the scroll wheel, then you can see it is working as a button. If you put the cursor down, then it will scroll the page down. If you put the cursor up, then it will scroll the page a little bit up. So it is working as a button, you can see. So it's working very fine with Windows. Now let's try this thing with Ubuntu, I mean Linux. Okay. It is working totally good, you can see over here. And we can create new folder, just tap on OK, and we have the new folder. It is working very fine with Ubuntu. I mean, you can use this mouse with any kind of operating system. So as I hope that you have enjoyed the unboxing of this mouse, and that's it for this video. If you want more videos like this one, and if you want to watch more unboxing videos, then just you need to do is that subscribe to the channel and also press on the bell icon, so you'll not miss new unboxing technology related videos on this channel. So that's it, see you soon, subscribe for more videos, peace.